Hello, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you. I am happy today.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth after I get up.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs. I drink a glass of milk.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I do. I do. I go with friends. I like learning English at school.
And how do you go to school?
I go to school by bicycle, and
And
it takes about 15 minutes.
what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. I love English. It is fun and useful.
What do you do after school?
I read books, do my homework first, then I play tennis with my friends.
What do you do in the evening?
I have dinner with my family. I listen to music, and then we talk about our day.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9:30 p.m., and sometimes I go to bed at 10. I sleep for about 8 hours.
What do you do on the weekend?
I go to the market. I visit my grandparents. We have a good time together. Hello, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you. It is nice to see you.
Where are you going?
I am going to school. I have English class today. I am very excited.
What is your name?
My name is Emma. I am 16 years old. Nice to meet you.
Where do you live?
I live near the park. My house is small. I like my neighborhood.
How do you go to school?
I go by bicycle. It is fast and easy. I enjoy riding every day.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. It is interesting. I like learning new words.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I do. I like playing badminton. I play every weekend.
What are you doing after school?
I will do my homework. Then I will help my parents. After that, I will read a book. What do you like to eat?
I like fried rice. It is very delicious. I also like fruit.
It was nice talking with you. See you later.
Thank you. Have a great day. See you again soon.